just a little update on the garden. Or is it garden? I guess it is. Anywho, these are a couple of the sunflowers that have been waiting to bloom. They have arrived. Then we still have fuchsia down here. And the Gerber daisy, it's going out of season right now, so I'm just waiting for the seeds to, or these buds to dry up so I can collect the seeds. Same with the lily. I'm waiting for the leaves to die back and get it ready for next spring. Then we have our pansies. I think I've been over fertilizing or used a little bit too much fertilizer last time, so they're kind of recovering, plus the heat wave didn't help. And this is a salvia back here. And guess what? The strawberries! Look at all of those! Oh my goodness. So good. Oh, I also switched out this container and put them in this one. And I think I saw another one over here. Yeah. Right there. And then also some coming in over here. And then we have, what are these? Oh, cayenne pepper. And then jalapenos. I see some buds and some flowers coming in there as well. And then we have bell peppers back here. And some more bell peppers. Oh, an update on the big one. Hold on. This is the big one coming in. It's gotten bigger. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. Oh, I think it might be. Oh, okay. It's going to be this small? Gotcha. I think it's time for that one. And then we have, oh, the dragon roll pepper and the banana peppers are also coming in. Some more sunflowers and some green onion back here. And look at this little guy. Oh, how cute. It's a sunflower. I have to check the packet. This was from a pack that I got at a thrift store a while back for 10 cents. And it was all mixed sunflowers in there. Then I have a few more coming up. And this is Sunflower Row. And there's some more sunflowers back here that are dwarf. So they'll be coming in soon. One thing about this strawberry pot, I'm not a big fan of it. As you can see, not as vibrant and bright, but that's kind of my fault too. The saucer that I was sitting in, I think it got a bit waterlogged, but we're still early in the season. I need to clean this one up and start some new growth in there. There's some peppermint that's also having a problem that I need to figure out. And more of the sweet mint. Ooh, I need to harvest. I need to harvest that. And my lavender. But yeah, this is the garden.